Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Key Holder Decor Delights. Are you tired of constantly misplacing your keys or want to add a touch of style to your entryway? Look no further. Our channel is dedicated to all things key holder decor, providing you with creative and inspiring ideas to enhance your home's organization and aesthetic appeal. Join us as we explore a wide range of key holder designs, materials, and die projects that will transform your boring key storage into a stunning focal point. Whether you are a fan of rustic charm, modern minimalism, or eclectic designs, we have got you covered. Our videos feature step-by-step tutorials, insightful tips, and product reviews, ensuring you have all the information you need to choose the perfect key holder for your space. We will show you how to upcycle everyday items into the unique key holders or guide you through the process of creating your own customized designs from scratch. In addition to showcasing various key holder styles, we will also delve into the world of decorative elements that complement your key holder. From wall art and hooks to decorative trays and organizational accessories, we will help you curate a cohesive and visually pleasing setup. Our channel is not just about functionality. We believe that key holders can be a true reflection of your personality and style. Get ready to explore different themes, colors, and decorative motifs that will add character to your entryway or hallway, making it a warm and inviting space for both you and your guests. Whether you are an interior design enthusiast, a die lover, or simply looking for practical solutions to keep your keys organized, Key Holder Decor Delight is the ultimate destination for inspiration.